Good morning.
Morning.
Carlos and I are going up to Golden Ears today. We're at the West Canyon Trailhead, and we're going to camp at the top tonight. We're excited.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
I'm ready. We got all our gear packed. We're good to go. 12 kilometers to Golden Ears Peak.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It's so tiring. It's steep part. It's hard. It's so worth it. And I have like sweat on my eyes now.
Yep, same here.
Yeah.
What do you think of the view? Good view? Not too shabby, I'd say. We are just crossing the saddle. We got to go down again to go up on both sides. Great views.
Come on up, girl. Oh, good girl.
We made it. Here's the emergency shelter. And it's smelling very ripe because it's actually the loo. So it is smelling not so fresh. And I'm smelling not so fresh, so I gotta take a swim in this waterfall over here.
Oh yeah.
Everything is flowing well again. It makes life so much easier. No, you don't have to. It's fine.
Look on the edge of this.
No, it's all cool. But you are stuck next to it, right?
So the views from up here are absolutely glorious. We're just soaking up the sun and relaxing after that climb.
Trying not to die.
Carlos isn't feeling so well.
Yeah.
So,
It was a grind. So
yeah. It was a strenuous hike to get up here. So now we're just soaking up some glorious sunshine. One of the things this site is blessed with is the stream that's right next to it that's cold and fresh. And I've drank the water directly from the stream already. And I'm still alive, at least for now. But I've also drank water on a lot of the mountains I've been on, so I'm not that worried. This stuff is probably cleaner than the water that you buy in bottles. But that depends on your preference, if you're more comfortable filtering it, then I suggest doing that. But that really is a handy thing to have at this campsite.
it's so hard to get to here, but once you're here, the reward is so good. Like the views are amazing.
Yeah.
The people here are amazing. I'm just so happy to be here. Like I couldn't ask for like a better day, you know. Super happy to be here.
I didn't expect the weather to be this good, and it's absolutely fantastic. The light just came out, and it's so gorgeous. This is like luxury camping. And the community here, everyone is so friendly, and you just chat to the other people camping, and I love this spot.
Amazing experience.
Yeah. The clouds have come sweeping in, and the sunset's now putting on a show. The whole camp area is basically become a theater, as I call it, because the seats are sloping on the rocks, and everybody's just taking in the sunset like it's a show. So it's pretty incredible.
Because having this view right now, right here, it worth $1 billion. Like,
Yeah,
you can't put price on this thing.
it's
here.
priceless.
It's priceless. It's amazing. You don't get to see this stuff every day, so I couldn't be happier. Like, I could cry right now.
After sunset, the clouds swallowed us, and shortly after that, the rain started. So we woke up to being in a cloud.
Never.
This is what everything looks like. It's just white everywhere and pretty cool and wet. But we were dry all night, and that I'm thankful for. Now we just have to pack everything up and head down in this because I don't think it's gonna change anytime soon.
Morning.
You know, no bug.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh my god, everything's wet. Wet.
It's pretty nice to have this emergency shelter just to eat breakfast in and be dry while we're eating, so that's pretty nice. It's pretty small in here, but cozy. Ready to go? It's really good.
One, two, three.
Thank you to Carlos for joining me and helping with some of the shots. Music was by Chris Zabriskie and Luke Wallace. Thank you for watching. See you on the next adventure.